I'm Joseph, and my mom signed me up for therapy because she said I should talk about difficult feelings. Apparently, yelling at the toaster because it burns my morning waffles means I have anger issues, which, okay, maybe like I just don't want to be late and my brain goes into explode mode, so I guess I get to trauma dump on a total stranger for 50 minutes. Yay. Hi, I'm Cheryl, and I'm Joey's mom. I signed Joey up because he really needs to open up about his emotions. He used to share everything with me, and now he just really bottles up his emotions. It's not healthy to do that because then he just lets it all out at once. So see you soon, Joey. Have a good time. Hi, I'm Dr. Ree, a licensed clinical psychologist working with teens, their emotions, and their families. I'm really excited. Oh, they're here. Oh. Yeah, my stupid GPS betrayed me like twice, but I guess we made it okay here. Not a worry, that can happen to anyone. Feel free to sit anywhere you'd like. The first session is mostly chill. You don't have to spill your deepest secrets. Think of it like a general getting to know you or an orientation. So, what brings you in today? My mom, I guess. Totally fair. We've all had to do things our folks tell us to do, right? But here's the thing, your first therapy session doesn't have to be what you've seen on TV, right? It's more like a getting to know you session. We can talk about school, friends, stress, or whatever made you decide to come in, even if the answer really is my mom, I guess. Okay, yeah, she kind of signed me up. She doesn't like how angry I get about some things. I appreciate you sharing that. It can be really tough to open up to a complete stranger, but it's also really important for me to make sure you feel safe when you're ready to share things. I'll also explain confidentiality. That's just a fancy schmancy word for what you say here stays private. And the only time I have to share something is if you or someone you know is in danger. So you're not gonna like call my mom if I tell you I punch walls and then hide the holes with posters or something? Okay, definitely not. But before we get into that, our first step today is to figure out if we're a good fit. I'll ask some tough questions, but you can ask me questions too. Therapy is a two-way street. Okay, that sounds good. But like, do I need to lie down all dramatically on this couch and stuff? Only if you want to. Most people leave realizing that therapy isn't just as scary as they thought it would be. It's not about fixing everything that's going wrong in your life, but learning how to handle the hard things and taking care of yourself one conversation at a time. I think he liked it. He didn't roll his eyes once. Okay, like maybe once, but yeah, honestly, not bad. 10 out of 10 would recommend maybe come back. It was great to meet Joey. My job as a therapist isn't to tell you who you are. It's to listen, repeat what I'm hearing, and help you to hear and see yourself as clearly as possible. Even if it's only 6, 7 things you want to share. Did I do that right? 6, 7? Absolutely not.